Hello, my dear students of Beacon High School. Diwali. Diwali is the Indian festival of lights, usually lasting 5 days, and celebrated during the Hindus' month Kartika, one of the most popular festival of Hinduism. Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. So on this occasion, I am going to teach you a beautiful, easy lantern. So let's start the work. Now requirement needed: colorful papers, Fevicol, scale, rounder, cutter, scissors, pencil, a decorative thread, an empty bottle, and crepe papers. Now take an empty bottle. Now the plain side you are going to cut with the help of cutter. Now while using cutter, be careful. You can take help of your parents. Please, while playing with cutter, be careful. Slowly you are going to cut this bottle from the top side. Only the plain part we are going to use of the bottle. So slowly you are going to use the cutter. We are going to use only the middle part of the bottle for this activity. So slowly you are going to cut this part. See that it should not go cross or the cutter should not be hurt. So slowly you are going to first insert the cutter here inside. See that it will not hurt you. Now while cutting this part, be slow. It should not go cross, and while using cutter, it's better. If you can't use the cutter, you can take help of your parents, your elder ones. Slowly you're going to go. In this way we have cut the middle part of the bottle. Now we are going to use this one. Now see here, check this one. If somewhere anywhere if it is crossed, with the help of scissors you can make it straight, you can cut it off and you can start the work. Now see here, in this way, now with the help of scale you are going to take the measurement of the bottle. Now it is 11 and a half. So what you are going to do is that downside you are going to keep 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter part here downside. You are going to keep 1.5 centimeter part as it is. Here it will be the marking of the. Here all the sides we are going to keep the marking of 1.5 centimeter. So that part we are not going to use now. At the end we are going to use that part, and we are going to make a circle here of 1.5 centimeter marking, so that you will come to know that you are not going to paste the paper part here. In this way we will keep a marking. Just now take a measurement of the bottle from the top to the line. It is 10 centimeter. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to take a colorful papers. 10 parts we are going to make, 10 circles we are going to cut of 10 centimeter. Now this is 10 centimeter, means your radius will be of 5 centimeter. So you are going to take a rounder, a compass. With the help of compass you are going to take a measurement of 5 centimeter in your compass, in this way. And after taking a measurement of 5 centimeter radius in your compass, you are going to make a circle here on the paper. Just fold the paper and make a circle of 10 centimeter. It will be of 10 centimeter because the radius of our circle is 5. In this way you are going to make a circle. All the papers are together here, so the circle will be of same size. Here our colorful 10 centimeter circles are ready. Now take the bottle, the cutted bottle. Now take one strip, any strip you can take a measurement of roundness of this bottle. So hold it here and just roll it, and edge to edge you can see that you have to hold the roundness of the bottle so that you can take a measurement this way, and just with the help of scale you can measure the measurement. Now this is of 30 centimeter. Now what you are going to do is that 3 centimeters marking you are going to add on the paper. 3 centimeters marking. In this way you are going to mark it 3 centimeters, and you are going to hold that on the bottle in this way and just mark it to the bottle. Just go on marking all the points which we have measured, the roundness. Just go on marking till the starting point. In this way we'll go on marking from where we have started. So here. So all the markings will be like this. Now you are going to draw a line here, straight line. One line only you are going to make it. Then second point. Then third. In this way, wherever you have marked, you are going to put a line there. Draw a line this way. So after that, the circles which you have cut, colorful circles which you have cut, you are going to paste that one on the marking lines. Now how to paste that one I will tell you. Now see here the marking we have done here. Now after that one, any color you can take it. Just fold the paper in the center in this way. Fold it, press it with the fingers. Take a Fevicol. Now start from the line. Any line you can start. You can apply the Fevicol here on the line, only on the line. Just paste from the downside. 1.5 centimeter we have left here. We are not going to touch that line. Just from that line upside we are going to paste our paper here. Only in the center part. Not full complete paper. Only in the center we are going to paste it. In such a way, for all the markings, all the colorful papers, we will go on pasting. Now after pasting all the papers on the line which we have drawn, after that one it will look like this. You can see. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to hold all the corners of these papers and you are going to paste it to one another in this way. One another you are going to paste it all the papers. Put the Fevicol in one corner and just hold it this corner and paste it. And just press it so the design it will look very nice. Go on pasting it one another in this way. You can see that in the corner you are going to apply the Fevicol and just hold this corner on this. Line to line, check the corners. It should come straight so that your design will be not going wrong. In this way, same for all. In this way you will get a flower design. You can see it. Now after completing this one, you are going to make 2 holes in the corner both the side the hole should be correct, half in a half. With the help of rounder you are going to make a hole like this. Both the sides you are going to make a hole, and after completing the hole you are going to take a decorative thread and we are going to first tie it and we are going to keep it ready. Now here we have kept 1.5 centimeter empty. Now what you are going to do, any color you can take it and take 1.5 centimeter strip. With the help of scale you are going to mark it 1.5 centimeter here, and you are going to cut the strip of that, so that we are going to put, now take a strip first of 1.5 centimeter. With the help of cutter we are going to cut that, and after that one just take the crepe papers, different colors you can take it, crepe papers, and just cut the strips of the crepe papers this much big, 1 centimeter enough. Like this, different strips you are going to cut it and you are going to paste it on the 1 centimeter part. Here we are going to open the strips of the paper and just apply the Fevicol and just go on pasting that one on upside. Just put a Fevicol here and just one strip near you are going to paste it, so that your design it will look very nice. In this way all the paper crepe papers we have cut the strips and we are going to paste on the 1.5 centimeter part which we have kept downside. And after pasting all the strips of colorful strips of crepe paper, now what we are going to do on this one, we are going to cut any colorful strip of any paper and we are going to paste it on this one in this way, so it will look more beautiful, more nice. In this way we will go on pasting that. Now you can see this easy beautiful lantern is completed. Now we are going to put a bulb in this one and we will check that how it looks. Now with the help of this decorative thread we are going to insert this wire inside here and we are going to tie the wire here to the thread so that it will be fixed here. Tie it here. Now after we on this one, so how it looks, you can see that it looks very beautiful. In this way your decorative lantern is completed. You can see that. Happy Diwali to you. Make it, enjoy it. Thank you.